Raining in Southern California, really not a normal thing for us, but we can still keep our photography cheese moving forward by doing some maintenance on our body. Come with me and I'll show you some really easy stretches to do. Hey, what's up guys? John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography coming at you again with another video. Hey, even when it rains, we can still take care of business. And one of the things that as a photographer that you really want to make sure you do is maintain your body. A tight chest can really lead to neck and shoulder problems. So if you handle these things preemptively and get them before they're an issue, you'll be doing yourself a big favor in the long run. Let me show you in the gym some really simple things that you can do. All right, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to use a foam roller, but this isn't totally necessary for these stretches. You can actually roll up a towel. Just anything that's going to raise your spine, you know, at least an inch or two off the mat is going to be helpful. So what we're doing here is we're trying to stretch the muscles of the chest. The chest muscle fibers kind of run from the center out and they're in a fan shape. So you want to stretch them this way to get the best stretch. So the first stretch we're going to do is you're going to lay with your spine along the edge. You're going to open your arms up into a crucifix type position, and you don't need to put out any effort. You just want to let your body relax. So just by the act of laying on the foam roller and letting the gravity and the weight of your arms hang down, over the next 30 seconds to a minute, your muscles will actually stretch as your hands get closer to the floor. Some days you're going to be faster than others, so there's no set time limit on how long you want to stay here. You just want to make sure that you feel the stretch happen. All right, the second part of the stretch you're going to do from the exact same position. This is called the W stretch. I am actually going to draw my elbows down towards my sides. So I'm trying to still let gravity pull my arms down towards the mat, but as I bend my elbows and my hands come closer to my shoulders, you're going to start feeling that stretch at the lower end of your chest. You want to do several different stretches so you're getting the chest from different angles and different influences, because the same stretch isn't going to get the whole muscle in itself. And the last stretch is just a side-to-side movement. So I'm going to have my arms straight out to the sides. Again, gravity is controlling my arms. I'm just letting them hang as long as they can. I'm not putting out any effort. And then from this position, and if you're new to the foam roller, you just want to be careful about how far you venture off center, because you don't want to fall off. You want to roll and lean as far as you can, and you're kind of giving yourself a self-massage across those shoulder blades where you're pushing any kind of metabolic waste or anything that might be trapped in the muscles, and you're helping your body metabolize that out. And as I mentioned earlier, there's no set time limit on how long you do these stretches or how long you hold them. It's a matter of just how your body's feeling on that particular day. And different days you're going to feel different ways, and that's just how the human body works. Hey, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, because if you do these maintenance exercises on a regular basis and they become a habit, you're going to find that a lot of the aches and pains that some of your peers might feel are not going to be the same aches and pains that you feel. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see another video just like this on exercises for the photographer, check this link right there. Thanks for watching. This is John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography.